How to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate the Jotform platform with the project management and CRM platform, which is going to be Monday.com. So we're going to have here, let's say, some easy steps tutorial to set up this, because both of these platforms are or forms are going to be let's say here 100% compatible with each other, so we are not going to find some troubles doing that. So we can go ahead and start from Jotform or Monday. We can head over the integrations here. You can go ahead and head over the CRM, or you can go ahead and head over the automations. It is going to be up to you. So we're going to see all of the automations. Here we have the templates. So we are going to type in Monday. We're going to click on enter. We're going to see the Monday. This is it. So you can see that we're going to have this. You're going to add new items and updates on your team project board. As you can see, we are going to add them from Jotform. Add new items. So we can use this integration to add new items to Monday.com, add new updates, update existing items. So these are going to be three principal work or functionalities that are going to be on this, let's say, integration. So we are going to add add form. We're going to head over here. We can go ahead and add start adding the form, but I'm not going to add the form yet, but we are going to ignore this step. We are going to head over Monday.com, head over the name of our account, click on App Market or Marketplace, type in Jotform like this. We're going to have this one. Click on Install App. We're going to connect our account directly. So we are going to allow it for all the workspaces. I'm going to let this connection happen because we need it. We are going to link it to this main space, this board. We're going to add, and it is going to show up here the automation test. So we can go ahead and have three only Jotform automations. When a form is submitted, create an item. When a form is submitted, create an update in this item. And also, when a status changes to something, assign this form to someone. So we can use one of the templates, but we need to connect our, as you can see, account here. So we are going to authorize that, and it is going to be related right here. So the automations are going to be here. We can start by adding the automation like this. When a status, for example, changes to something, anything, assign this form. We're going to choose one of the forms that we have here. So we are going to head over Jotform. We're going to find all the forms. We have form, simple, job application, customer registration. We're going to someone, for example, the assignee, which is going to be related here. So we're going to have the assignees, and the status, it is going to be something added like this. So this is how simple and easy it is to set up the integration of Jotform to the Monday.com. Aside from that, you can see that we can integrate it from the Jotform itself by typing here Monday, and we can go ahead and start the automations. So we add to form, for example, like that. So we can go ahead and create a form special for Monday, and then it is going to be right here. So I'm going to have this product order. I'm going to use only let's say here an example. So you can go ahead and choose an action. What is going to happen when you set up this form? Create an item or create an update. This is something else other than the automation, but it is going to be a type of automation. I'm going to create an item. So you're going to enter the API key that you're going to find into here. So we are going to head over the developers. Normally, the developer center, we are going to have here the API keys. API background. So we're going to show, copy it, hide, put the API key here, authenticate. Normally it is going to be correct. Select the board. As you can see, we're going to select a board, a group, for example, to do. Put the name, select the field, for example, I don't know here, the add, you can add as many fields as you want. And when you finish, you're going to add a board. So we are going to have here full name, add here maybe the status, select the field or the assignee. For example, I'm not status, maybe you're going to have here all the priorities, for example, if you want, and then you're going to have this, click on add, this is the enabled, the created item. Normally we're going to find something created here. Normally, I've said normally. So this is the action, and it is going to be this. So new item. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.